What's going on YouTube? This your boy The Vintage, back on another video, man. Today you read the title. We're gonna be doing a review and on feet over these Air Jordan 6. Came in a reflection of a champion pack with the 6s, the 7s, and the 8s. That did release today. I was able to secure these guys from my local Kicks. So you already know I got them for under retail, man. So shouts out to Kicks for that. Huge bless up, man. And I'm sorry for the slight echo. As y'all know, I'm on the way to move to San Antonio, so there's no furniture in here and nothing's grabbing the goddamn sound. So please forgive me for the slight echo. The audio is gonna be very crisp when I get to my crib in San Antonio, man. So if you're new to the channel right now, what you need to do is subscribe to the channel, man. We're on a grind to 20,000 subscribers right around the corner. Help your boy out, share the video, and like the video. To go for every video is 100 likes right now, so hit that like button. And also go check out my pickup vlog over the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 black non-reflective joints. It was a crazy release, man, and I did not expect that to turn out how it turned out. I got like some footage of people arguing, pushing and shoving, and it was very funny. So y'all go check out that last pickup vlog of the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 non-reflectives. And also right now, let me know in the comments below if you copped these guys on the Sneakers app. And I think they're releasing like some Foot Lockers, some Champs and stuff like that. It's probably like a GR-ish type of pack. But with some of these packs, you know what I'm saying, you gotta at least get one or two out of packs, and this is the one I chose to get, man. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, and go ahead and follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World. We're gonna get right into this review and on feet over the 6s that came in the reflections of a champion pack, man. Let's get it. All right, first things first, we're gonna talk about this box, man. And as you can see, we got the same box that we got the Michigan 12s, we got the Jeter 11 lows in this box, and we got a couple of other pair of shoes that did come in this box. It's different, you know what I'm saying? I like how Jordan Brand give us something different with our sneakers, and it's not always the same plain box. So shouts out to Jordan Brand for that. Check it out right quick. Got some photos of him, man, back in the day. Got some wing 2s up there, winged 2s. Got the Jordan logo right here. And the size label, size 9 of course, and it reads reflective silver, infrared, and black is the official colorway on these guys. Check that out real quick. If you can't read it, I will hit y'all with B-roll over that as well. I know it's kind of bright right now where I'm at, but I'll give you B-roll of everything so y'all can check it out. See if you want to go grab it and stuff like that, man. I'm gonna help y'all boys out. And inside the box, you got this regular black and white tissue paper, and then you have a quality control sticker right here. Also, you got this little card right here, and it reads as follows. It says, reflections of a champion. The Air Jordan 6, 7, and 8 are 3 of the most iconic silhouettes in the history of sneakers. This season, Jordan Brand celebrates each model by delivering premium, reflective materials and detailed craftsmanship inspired by MJ's historic 1991 through 1993 championship run. 3 rings, 3 finals MVPs, 3 scoring titles. This instant classic will leave you saying, it's gotta be the shoes. So shouts out to Jordan Brand for giving us these extra, you know what I'm saying, things you can collect while you're collecting sneakers, man. So this is very dope. All right, now with the shoes, man, as you can see, they're all over just 3M down, like just bust down with 3M, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy. I'm gonna post pictures like with the 3M. The shoe is very vibrant, very bright. And as you can see right here, the light is hitting it, and it's just very bright, man. So I like how they did it with this. Of course, you can compare this to the infrared 6. Came with the same color blocking, came with the same Nike Air on the back, and it came with the same webbing right here. Lace, like, came with everything is the same as infrared 6, but only thing different is this crazy nice 3M, man. So y'all let me know how y'all feeling about the 3M on the sneakers. We're getting it a lot. We're getting it with the Yeezys, we're getting it with the Jordans. I want to know how you guys are feeling. Y'all tired of 3M already, or y'all want to keep seeing the 3M on Jordans and other sneakers in general? First things first, as you can see, you got the black laces. You get no extra laces with these 6s. You got the red Jumpman right here, and you got the red lace lock. It says Nike, and you got the Jordan Brand symbol over here. On the back, of course, you got that Nike Air. Let me show y'all both of the sneakers. Got that Nike Air on the back. Everybody loves the Nike Air, and I love it as well. On the back of the spoilers, you got, like I said, same as the 6s. You have the red lining right here with the black spoiler, man. Very crisp, very dope. All right, check out the midsole. You got the black with the red hits, like I said, just like the infrared 6. Let me turn the brightness down for you guys real quick. All right, right there is perfect. You got the red, got the black on the back on the heel. You got the see-through air unit at the bottom of the 6s right there. I like how they did it with the 6, man, with that see-through air unit. Very fire. And on the outsole, of course, you have the red Jumpman, got the black pods, and you have, of course, the icy blue bottoms, man. I love them icy blue bottoms on my sneakers. I don't know what it is, But the only downfall about it is it's gonna turn yellow eventually, and it's gonna get, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna look different. It's gonna make this nigga look different, and I don't know how the yellowing of the sole is gonna look with this 3M shoe. So I suggest everybody get their words out right now, because I don't know what a yellow outsole gonna look like on these boys. On the tongue, you got, of course, the Jordan right there, and you got the Air in between. You already know how the 6s come, man. And I'm gonna give y'all B-roll of the insole. It has Nike Air in there with the black insole, and the lettering is red. All right, so now we're gonna talk about some quality control issues. It's a little bit, it's actually a lot of glue stains on the sneaker, and it's a lot of like messed up painting on the side of the sneakers right here, man. Like I said, you always gonna get those factory flaws with Jordans, with any sneakers in general, and you just gotta live with it. As being a sneakerhead, keep collecting sneakers years and years, you're gonna keep getting sneakers that always got some glue stains, some stitching that's not right, some paint that ain't in the right spot. It's always gonna happen, man. And with this 3M, I have like a couple of nicks to where you can see like somebody like rubbed it or something. I don't know what it is. You can check it out right here. It looked like somebody like scratched it right there, and I don't know what that is. But like I said, you're gonna get those little small defects with your sneakers, you know what I'm saying, while you're collecting. So overall, I give the whole pack, I give it around like a 7 and an 8. You know what I'm saying, 7, 8. Like rating it to 1 to 10, I give it a 7. Just because I feel like they dropped it, I don't know, they just dropped it at the wrong time. Just like my boy the Retro Whiz Kid said, if they would have dropped this around that 30th anniversary like they did the 4s, them laser 4s, they could have kept those and gave us something like this, the pack. It would have did better than what it's doing now. I see the 6s, the 7s, and the 8s are sitting right now on Sneakers app, which is very, very crazy. I love what they did with it. I love the craftsmanship. I love the 3M upper, man. I love it all. But $225 is pretty steep price. That's another reason why I give it like a 7, you know what I'm saying? And they dropped it at the wrong time. You got the Yeezys dropping. You just got a whole bunch of sneakers that's dropping that everybody want more than these right here. I can understand why. $225 for a pair of 6s. It's a little steep, man. Jordan Brand need to drop them prices back down to $190, but I understand they raised it up $30, $40 just because that 3M upper. All right, that is it from our review over these 3M Reflections of a Champion 6s, man. Very dope sneaker. Let me know right now in the comments section below if you did cop these. Let me know where you copped them from. Let me know how much you paid, if you had to get them on resale market. Let me know something in the comment section below. Make sure you like this video if you made it this far. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already, man. Hit that red button, man. And go ahead and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. I got another video dropping tomorrow of a Grail. I got a Grail sneaker pickup, and I was happy I got it, and I got it from the retail, man. So shouts out to Kicks for blessing your boy, man. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram at TheVintageWorld. I already posted that I did cop these, so if you have not, follow me over on Instagram, and you gotta go follow me. You're gonna see early content before you see it on YouTube. So go follow me over there. And with all that being said, you guys, I'm gonna catch you in the next video, man. Stay tuned for this dope on feet over these 006s. And if you need to learn how to lace your 6s, I'm gonna put a card right here so you can watch a video giving you a couple of lace styles with these Air Jordan 6s, man. Appreciate all love and support. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Stay tuned for this on feet. Let's get it.